Listen, if you never had Jamaican curry goat before, you're missing out big time. Big time. So today on Keegan's Kitchen, I'm showing you how to cook curry goat the authentic way. Tender, juicy, seasoned down to the bone, and full of real island flavor. This kind of dish will make for weddings, parties, and Sunday dinners. And before we get started, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash the like button right now. What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some authentic, real Jamaican style curry goat with some gungo rice and peas. Let's go. Yeah man, so right here we have all the lovely ingredients. Then we have the goat meat right there. So we're going to add some vinegar to it, rinse it off with some water a couple of times, and then we're going to add the fresh, seasoning. We have the scotch bonnet pepper right here. We'll add one to the rice and the other two to the goat. We have some curry powder right there, so thyme, fresh green onion or scallion, some onion, gotta have the ginger. So that ginger is gonna add a nice little kick to the curry goat today. We have some pimento berries, right? So we'll crush up the pimento seed a couple of times and then season the actual goat with that. We have some ram it up. So the ram it up now, you give it that ram goat aroma, that taste, that flavor. Bring it back straight to Jamaica once you add this to it. Yeah, we have some coconut milk now. See the coconut milk? This is gonna turn up the rice and peas a notch. You gotta have coconut milk if you're gonna make authentic rice and peas. So we'll cook some basmati rice with the coconut milk, and we have the dry pigeon peas, are also known as gongo peas. So we have the gongo peas right there. So we are foreign with America right now, so we can't find the dry peas right now, like how would I get it in Jamaica. So now we just gotta stick to the canned one for right now. But if you have the actual fresh gongo peas right off of the tree, be my guest and do it that way, right? So now we have the seasoning them we are use. We have some chicken seasoning right there, so even though I'm not chicken we are cook, but if you know how to cook, so you can add any seasoning to your pot and make it turn up a notch. Yeah, we have some cock seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. These are the only three dry seasoning that I'll be using besides the ramito. Yeah, so let's jump right into it and let's go. Follow the way, sir. Yeah, so we're gonna add a drizzle of vinegar. Just rinse it off a couple of times, guys. Alright. So about 2 to 3 times and you should be good. Yeah man. And as you can see, me already cut up the goat and clean it up proper, nice and proper. So now we're gonna add the seasoning to it, alright? Yeah man, just keep watching, guys. Yeah man, so right now guys, me just remove the shellings or the skin from the onion. Just peel it up. And then we're gonna wash all of the fresh seasoning them, blend them up together, and then we're gonna apply that, add that to the goat. Yeah. So let's go use a little piece of ginger. We're not use this whole thing because this is way too big. A little piece. Doesn't matter. Yeah man, we have to wash the seasoning them, make sure so them nice and clean. You know what I mean? Drop in 2 of the scotch in them. You gotta have your scotch bonnet pepper, guys. If you don't have the scotch bonnet pepper, the food is not gonna be the same, trust me. Anybody tell you that, oh, you can do it without the scotch bonnet pepper? Lie them matter here. Yeah, so we're add in the pimento berries in a little blender we have. Yeah. wash off the seasoning them, man. Make sure them nice and proper, nice and clean. Then we just go drop them in a blender. Alright, so we're having the thyme, we have the scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, onion. Oh, guess what? Gotta add the garlic, guys. Garlic, gotta get some garlic. Alright. So I'm gonna add a couple cloves of garlic. This not me, no? Hold on. We just buy this today, guys, so yeah. We'll just go add in a few. Add some water. And then we'll just go add in some little drizzle of oil in it, you know? Yeah, man, to keep it jiggy, you see it? Yeah. Close up the blender, guys. And then we're gonna start blending. You see it? Yes. And this is my green seasoning right here. Yeah, man, so I'm plug out the blender. Right. So here now. Move on to the next step now, guys. We're gonna wash up that in a minute. So you see, after we finish season with goat, we're gonna put on the rice and make it go on do it thing. And then we're gonna make this marinate a little. And then add it in the Dutch pot. You understand? Yes. Alright, so now let's add our green seasoning. So we're gonna add a decent amount, not too much. We're gonna save the rest for the rest of the week. So whatever I cook later on, like tomorrow, the next day, you can add that to it. Yeah, man, so you can leave your green seasoning in your refrigerator for at least a week or so, you know, depending on how often you cook. Just make sure you add a little oil to it, just to keep the green color, you understand? Yeah, so now we're gonna add the whole pack of this ram it up goat seasoning. Yeah, man, add the whole packet. Yes, and then we're gonna add some cock seasoning, not much. Just a little drizzle, about a tablespoon or so. Some all-purpose seasoning. We're gonna add about 2 tablespoons. Cause you know when it comes to goat meat or beef or anything like that, they take a lot of seasoning. You understand? So don't be afraid to season it up properly. Add some chicken seasoning. You know, about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons. When I do no heap of measuring right now, we just season with the eyes, you know. Now we're gonna add 1 packet of this curry powder seasoning, better pack, yeah. And then we're gonna save the other 2 packets, you know, to burn in the aisle. You understand? So watch it now. Get your hands messy. Don't be afraid. Just mix it up, stir it up. Yeah, man. Just like that, guys. Smelling so good. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, man. So if you want your curry goat to have the best flavor ever, just marinate this curry goat, this goat right here, overnight, you know, 24 hours, and you're gonna have the best results. It's gonna be nice and tender, well soaked, well marinated, falling off the bone, melting in your mouth. You understand? So moving on to the next step, guys. Come on. Yeah, man. So we just go wash the rice real quick. I'm gonna add about 3 cups of rice, guys. Yeah, about 3 cups. Now it should be good. You understand? So we're gonna wash it off, guys, and make sure it's nice and clean. There's no dirt, you know, no stone. Yeah, and we're also gonna remove that starch, you know, that white liquid from the rice. You understand? Pour some of the water. Wash it again. Yeah, man, so right now the rice is nice and clean, guys. Once the water ready to go, start boil, we're going to add in this, and we're adding the peas and the coconut milk and some seasoning. And also some of the green seasoning. You see me answer? Keep watching. Alright, guys, so we'll drop in some butter. Water start boil already, you know. Drop in with scotch bonnet pepper, gungo peas. Add in the coconut milk powder. Give it a nice little stir. Mix it in nice and proper. You see it. We'll add some green seasoning to the thing same way. Ooh, that's gonna be good. Mix it in. We're not gonna add salt because majority of the Jamaican seasoning that we use contain a lot of salt. You know, MSG and all them stuff like that, so we're not add no salt to the recipe. We just go add in some all-purpose seasoning. Not gonna overdo it because we don't want the rice to be salty. Add in some chicken seasoning. So the same seasoning what we use for the goat, the same seasoning we're adding in the rice same way. Add in some cock seasoning. Not much. Mix it in. And now we're going to add in the rice. Yeah, man, so rice gone in and now. That's it. So we're just going to cook the rice for about 20-25 minutes. You know, right now this stove up on high heat just to keep it boiling. And once it starts boil the way we want it, then we're gonna turn it down to low heat and let it simmer. You understand? Yeah. So we now mess with that again for now until about the next 15 minutes right now. So we just have to make the heat and the pot do the job, do the work for the rice. You know what I mean? Yeah, so pot empty. Dutch pot empty right now, guys. So time to heat up the pot. Add in with oil in it right now. Ooh. Yeah, so we need to get some more olive oil. Yeah. So we'll add some more. Some curry powder now to the oil. Yeah, man. Make sure so everything empty out, you know, when I make this waste. Because it's a good curry powder, you know, guys. If you know about better pack, you know it's a good curry that. You see it? Yeah. You can't even use my good spoon pan in curry, you know, because the way the curry rich, you want to use one iron spoon where you know really easy to stain. The stain easy to come off. Yeah. Yes, guys. So right now, as you can see, the curry are burned. The whole point of this is to bring out the flavor, and we're gonna add the curry, the actual goat to it right now, and then it's gonna be a magic waiting to happen. We're not doing no pressure cooker today, strictly Dutch pot, guys. Right about now, guys, we're just gonna stir this up. You understand? Stir it up and make it burn. I will just go do this for a few minutes, guys. Few minutes. Then we're gonna close down the lid, add some water to it, cook it for about an hour and a half, and we should be good. Nice and tender. Yes guys, so now after about 5 minutes of stirring up the goat and making sure you get a nice color, we're gonna add the same water, some water from the same mixing bowl with seasoned goat in. You can't fill up the pot all the way, Don't be afraid because, like I said, we're gonna cook this for about a good hour and a half, guys. You understand? It's gonna be a while. Yeah. Let's stir it up. And once it comes to a boil, we're going to close down the lid and let it cook. That's it, and then we're going to turn on because right now it's on high heat, so once it starts boil and bubble, we're just going to turn it all the way down to about midway, about a medium, and we can go and slow cook and make the heat do the work. Just me as it. Massage it, wine it, yeah. Caress it, yeah. Yeah man, so guys, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to leave a like. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I post a new video, alright? So keep watching, hope you're enjoying the video so far guys, and see you in a bit. See that? Pot of bubble like soup, Yes guys, so we're gonna, like I said, close it down and turn it down to about a medium heat. Yeah, we don't want it too high. Alright? Same thing with the rice over here, so it's looking good. This is not your red kidney beans, your red rice and peas. This is gongo rice and peas. Yeah, this is different. Nice flavor. If you never had gongo rice and peas, guys, you definitely need to try it. Yeah man, so this have about 10-15 more minutes left on it. And this, we are looking at an hour and 20 minutes, hour and 15 minutes right. So yeah man, so keep watching the vlog and I'll see you when this is almost ready. And this is this is gonna be way finished before this one. So as soon as this is ready, I'm gonna let you see the almost finished product, and then we're gonna put it on a plate with the rice and peas. I might add some veg on the side, a salad or something, I don't know yet, depending on how I'm feeling, but you'll see it. And I'm gonna try the food and enjoy the food with them, share the dinner with them today, you see? Yeah, so see you in a bit. Yes guys, the rice is ready, nice and shelly. Yes. Go a little taste, Just right guys, nice and creamy. You're tasting the coconut cream, the spice and herbs, the scallion, all of the blended herb seasoning we blend up earlier. Yeah, taste all of that. And it's not too spicy, it's just a mild spice because it's the curry goat now that have a nice spice to it. So you don't want everything to be too spicy. You want it to just be nice and balanced. You understand? So let's see what I go on the curry goat. See there? Curry goat looking rich. Lovely. See there? Yeah man. So we have a good while left on the curry goat. About 45 minutes to an hour left. Yeah. Yeah man, so we'll just go and make it simmer same way, slow cook, and then we make it know what I go on. You understand? Yeah. Yes people, so the curry goat ready. Yes people, so the curry goat ready. It took me about 2 hours instead of the hour and a half. It was a little bit tougher than I expected. But it's nice and tender right now. The gravy is nice and thick, flavorful, spicy. Yeah man, rich. That is it. Yeah, rich like Bill Gates. Yeah man, so right now, like I said, we're gonna share out the food and eat some. I'm gonna see what I go on. We're gonna share out the rice and then we're gonna pour the curry gravy with the curry goat on top. You know what I mean? Smell good. Not add too much rice still, So a little bit. Curry goat and gongo rice and peas, guys. This is a little bit late in the evening, late dinner. Yeah, but we have to eat. If you don't eat no food, you know what? Cannot survive. Yeah, man, so watch you now. Time for the curry goat. Whoa. Watch this. Nice and rich, man. So when I eat my curry goat, guys, I love enough gravy. I think everybody was into curry goat or curry chicken, you know. It's like how when you get your curry, your fried chicken, curry goat gravy on it. That everybody like. Curry goat gravy, please. Yes, guys, so we are about to test out the rice and peas and make us see what I want. Yeah, man. This is really good, guys. This is goat. So the curry goat now. So tender. The way the goat meat soft, guys, it just melt in your mouth, trust me. You don't need no fork, nothing. This was a well put together dish tonight for dinner, you know, guys. Trust me. Yeah, if you enjoyed watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes. Until next time, peace, big up on yourself.